How to help improve AI and make money out of it. In this video, I'll show you how to land a lucrative AI job and make a real difference in the future of AI. Stellar, a platform that connects individuals with flexible work opportunities in AI and other tech fields, is looking for individuals with a variety of skills related to AI, including data labeling, model training, and other technical tasks. They are particularly interested in people who are passionate about AI, have strong attention to detail, and are able to work independently. They offer flexible work for your unique skills. You can contribute to improving AI and earn $25 and more per hour with flexible hours. And you can work remotely from anywhere you want. What are the benefits? You can work from the comfort of your home. Work any hours that are convenient for you. Choose from a set of tasks that match your skills and interests. No previous experience is needed with AI. You can learn as you go. Work any number of hours, whether it's just a few hours a week or much more. You will be paid a pre-agreed hourly rate. What are the typical tasks you will be working on? Select which AI chatbot answer is the best. In this task, you will be asked to write a question for an AI chatbot on a topic you are familiar with. You will then get 2 different answers, and you will need to judge which of the 2 is better. You'll have to look at various aspects of the answers, such as truthfulness, relevancy, tone, and length. Correct answers from AI chatbots in your field. In this task, you will be asked to write a question for a chatbot on a topic you are an expert on. The chatbot will then produce an answer, and your task is to both grade but also fix the answer. You will need to do a detailed fact check, add any missing information, and fix the overall structure and tone. Demonstrate how to do online research for a topic. In this task, you will be demonstrating the steps needed to do online research on a specific topic. You will be asked to come up with an online research topic and then capture all the steps you take to do this research. How to get started. Do the skill match test to get the best suited projects. Complete tasks when it suits you, where it suits you, on your own schedule. And get paid competitive rates on a weekly basis. Let's take a short look at the assessment itself. The Skill Match Assessment is designed to give you more information about the skills needed to work with them. It also helps Stellar to ensure they have the right type of work for you. The test takes about 45 to 90 minutes to complete. After you complete it, they will review it and let you know if they have the right type of work for you. The assessment is pretty straightforward. There are approximately 10 questions to be answered. There's a creative writing prompt to test your English skills, your writing creativity, and your grammar, so don't use ChatGPT for the test. There is a math problem to gauge your problem-solving ability, and a few logical reasoning questions. It's a mix of creative and analytical challenges. And what happens if you fail the test? If you fail the test, you will be able to retake it after some time has passed. Keep an eye on the dashboard to see if it reappears. It might take a while for Stellar to look over your assessment. Stellar has a fair and high-quality review process where they review each assessment submission in detail. Sometimes it can take a while until they get to yours, as they process them in order. What if there are no tasks available? From time to time, there might not be any projects on the platform. If that's the case, don't worry. Take a break, and new projects will be available as they are added in the platform. How do you get paid? Payments are made once a week, but they cannot send funds by any other means, and you'll need to get a PayPal account to get paid. If PayPal's not an option where you live, here are some other sites that pay you to help out with AI. Dataannotation.tech. You can earn $20 per hour working on their tasks. Appen or CrowdGen offers a wide range of data annotation tasks, including image labeling, text classification, and audio transcription. Lionbridge focuses on technical tasks like translation, localization, and content moderation. The more AI-focused platforms, similar to Stellar AI, are RWS. offers freelance opportunities through their Train AI community, and they provide training and tools to help individuals contribute to AI development. Pareto.ai offers freelance opportunities for AI trainers to work on various projects, and they also provide training and support to help individuals develop their skills in AI training. OneForma. This is a platform that connects individuals with part-time and remote work opportunities that help businesses unlock the potential of AI. It offers a variety of tasks related to data annotation, text classification, and sentiment analysis. Choose the right platform depending on your skills and interests, and by exploring these websites and resources, you can find the platform that best meets your needs and helps you contribute to the advancement of AI. And that's it for today. You can check out the link to my website for more information and more lucrative gigs in the description box below. If you found this content helpful, please share, subscribe, and like this video. In my next video, I'll talk about the AI tool AI Detector Pro and show you how to identify AI-generated content, humanize it, and monetize this skill. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.